So we have here Ultimate Quarter Scale Han Solo in hot gear.
Yes, hot gear.
I've seen better gear in Russia.
Pretty nice box.
Yes, it's okay. It gives him his background.
Yeah, it's a nice box.
He's pretty cool. It's actually pretty good fabric they have here. It's actually kind of, I don't know if it's real fur.
Looks like real fur.
Yeah, he probably hunted it and killed it himself.
Makes sense, tiny bears.
Yes. But it comes with this sweet cut-off sweater he has.
Look how sexy that is.
Look is that. Well, look how good it is. He even comes with scarf.
Yes.
Yes, that's if that's not macho, I don't know what is.
I don't know, looks a little gay.
You think it looks gay? I wore that at your birthday and you didn't say that was gay.
Well, I don't know. I'm not Han Solo.
Well, that's cool, whatever. So he has that underneath, which is kinda cool. They put a lot of detail into him. He's very posable. He can go do the robot if he likes.
My favorite.
He can go up and down. He can bend forward. He has movement in his torso, back and forth, left and right. He can. He has some movement.
What the fuck was that?
He can speak. Only one line though.
No way.
It's not even a famous line.
What a load of shit.
Yes, that's all he says. That's all he says. He keeps saying that, the same thing.
He doesn't even look like Harrison Ford. He's cross-eyed.
Yeah, he doesn't
cross-eyed.
have it much. But what's cool is he comes with a cool utility belt. You can actually put his gun in here.
Onto the guns.
So
He
he
comes
has
with
this,
one gun.
comes with his famous blaster that he shot Greedo with. It's okay, it's pretty good detail. So you can put that in his hand.
He looks like a little beach.
Yeah, you can make it like you shoot.
It looks like a
this.
beach with a scarf out like that.
Well, okay, fine.
should
You know what?
fix it.
Fine. Here,
Just
there's
remove the scarf.
whatever. He's blinded now. He doesn't have to see this.
Now he looks like a real bitch.
Whatever. All right. He has what? This is what he does. He's
He looks
"Oh,
like he's trying to reason with me while he shoots me.
What's going on here?
He's like, wait, what do you want?
What do you want? Yes.
I will shoot you.
So he has these cool accessories. He has that. He has the goggles. You can put the goggles in him,
Yeah, like a little beach.
like he's going swimming.
Too afraid to get things in his eyes.
So you can put the goggles. You can put the gun. And then he has the binoculars that he goes searching Luke Skywalker for.
Pretty detailed. I like
Pretty
their
good.
wear.
It seems like they had put real leather on here.
Little beach leather.
I don't know why he has only one optic out of it. I don't know how you can see out of that.
He's Cyclops. Maybe he only has one eye.
Maybe he only has one goody eye. So you can put that on him. You put the scarf up, put the scarf down, hoodie up, blaster up.
Ready to shoot. He's still trying to reason with me.
He's like, hey, what's happening?
Hey,
You want to high five me? High
Yeah,
five?
you want to high five?
High
Then I
five or
shoot
gun?
you.
High five or gun?
Yeah, you make a
want,
decision.
what do you want to do? Do you want to pay me money?
You want money or you shoot?
Oh, remember you did that to Ivan the other day?
Yes.
High five or shoot?
High five or shoot? I shoot in the face.
You shot him in the face anyways after he high fived you.
Yes, he
I
was a
thought
bitch.
I don't know why. So you can
He's a
actually
little
button.
bitch.
It's actually kind of cool. You put some buttons on here. You could be like, oh, you cold? You cold, Mr. Harrison?
Gets very cold in Russia.
Mr. Solo? Solo's cold?
Han Solo.
On Solo? Or you can take this gun, go put that back. Put it in
Put it in his holster. Saggy holster.
the Segu holster. I don't know how you could reach down for this. So it doesn't. I don't know why it doesn't. Oh, there it goes. You put it in
The
there.
picture is great. Print that out. Scan it in and print it out and sell them.
Yes. So you can put him in here, and it comes with a stand. Open the stand up. Put it right there, and then you have your ultimate Quarter Skies Han Solo.
Little bitch edition. Oh shit.
So, what do you want to give it?
I think it's 3 out of 5 potatoes.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I'd say 3.5. It's kind of expensive. It retails at $80 for this Han Solo. It'd be cooler if he said more things instead of one stupid phrase that no one knows. No one, I don't think anyone remembers that line.
I would have given him 4 if he wasn't such a beach.
Yeah, I would.
Looks like a little beach.
It does look like a beach. So that's Han Solo in Hot Gear, the ultimate quarter size scale.
3 out of 5 potatoes.
3.5 for me.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh, fuck you too.
3.
No, 3.5. You take 3.5, I keep it.
Okay, 3.25.
Okay, fine.
Little beach.
Oh, okay, fine. You get to call him Little Beach. Fine. We settle on that.